Yo, 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 what is up, my quacks, and welcome to another episode of Will It Float? Hey, we want to thank everybody and all the new subscribers for coming back and watching this channel. So sit back, enjoy, and relax. Now, let's cue the intro.
Cause we don't know. Gotta drop it in the bowl to see if it floats. Cause we don't know. Gotta drop it in the bowl to see if it floats. Cause we don't know.
That was awesome. Well, okay, let's see what today's item's gonna be. Ooh, it's a chocolate bunny. Well, what do you guys think? Is it gonna float? Or is it not? Place your bets. Let's find out.
Drum roll, please. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh well. You win some, you lose some. But we all know bunnies can't float. But ducks can. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you got any ideas of what you want to see float, just put it in the comments below and I'll give you a shout out and tell all your friends about the channel. I appreciate it and we'll see you next time.